You are one thought away. Welcome to a journey unlike any other. Right now, in this very moment, you're one thought away from a new life. One vibration away from attracting wealth, purpose, clarity, and deep inner peace. In the next 7 minutes, we'll explore the most powerful ideas from 10 transformational books interwoven. Through the lens of the law of attraction and the law of vibration, this isn't just a summary of bestsellers. It's a spiritual activation. Whether you're new to this path or deep into your awakening, you'll discover tools, principles, and mindset shifts that can realign your energy and reshape your reality. Take a deep breath, release all distractions. This is your time. Let's begin. Wealth is energy, not just paper. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire Fastlane. The psychology of money. Money is more than currency, it's energy. It responds to your beliefs, emotions, and decisions. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki introduces two opposing mindsets. Poor Dad says, get a safe job, save, and retire slowly. The Rich Dad says, build assets, use leverage, and create. Cash flow. One is survival. The other is creation. MJ DeMarco's The Millionaire Fastlane takes it further. He reveals the harsh truth. Trading time for money is a slow, painful path to freedom. The fast lane is about building systems, solving problems, and creating scalable value. When your work multiplies without your constant presence, you've entered the vibration of wealth. But creating wealth is not. It's just about knowledge. It's also about behavior. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that emotions like fear, ego, and impatience often destroy fortunes. Wealth, he says, is quiet. It's what you don't spend. Abundance begins not with income, but with intention and awareness. The law of attraction teaches, when your beliefs align with abundance, and your vibration matches the frequency of wealth, you become a magnet for prosperity. Change your habits, change your frequency. Atomic Habits, The 5 a.m. Club. Essentialism. You don't attract what you wish for, you attract what you repeatedly do. Atomic Habits by James Clear teaches that success is not a result of massive action, but tiny habits repeated consistently. Every action you take casts a vote for the type of person you are becoming. Want to be wealthy? Start acting like someone who respects money, time, and energy. Then comes The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, a philosophy, not just a schedule. Rising early is about claiming your mind before the world intrudes. In that sacred first hour, you program your vibration with gratitude, clarity, and purpose. Sharma reminds us, own your morning, elevate your life. This isn't about being busy, it's about becoming powerful. Essentialism by Greg McKeown ties it all together. It asks, what if doing less actually gave you more? The essentialist doesn't chase everything. They align with what truly matters and eliminate the noise. The universe rewards clarity. When your energy isn't scattered, it becomes a laser beam of attraction. Spiritual alignment is the source of power. The untethered soul, the 7 spiritual laws of success, man's search. For meaning, your outer world is a mirror of your inner world. Michael, a singer in The Untethered Soul, teaches that we are not our thoughts or emotions. We are the observer behind them. Real freedom comes not from controlling life, but from surrendering resistance. When you let go, you allow energy to move, and when energy flows, life heals. Deepak Chopra's 7 Spiritual Laws of Success offers a new definition of success, not as struggle, but as alignment with the universe. These laws include Law of Pure Potentiality. You are pure energy, pure creation. Law of Giving. Give and receive with the same ease. Law of Intention. Intention is the seed of manifestation. Law of Detachment. Let go of outcomes to attract better ones. Then comes a sobering reminder from Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. He survived the horrors of a concentration camp and found that purpose, even in pain, is what gives us life. He said, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Purpose is the highest. Vibration Focus is the gateway to flow. Deep Work by Cal Newport. In today's digital world, attention is currency. Deep work reveals that our most valuable ideas and creations are born from focused, undistracted effort. When your mind is scattered, your vibration is weak. When your mind is focused, your energy becomes unstoppable. Newport teaches us to protect our attention like a sacred altar, schedule distraction, to build rituals, to train our minds to go deep, because in that stillness and that flow lies your creative power. Your vibration rises when your attention is no longer hijacked by notifications, news, or noise. Deep work is how you anchor your energy and create realities, how to integrate this into your life. Now that we've walked through these powerful teachings, the question is, how do we live this every day? Here's your Law of Attraction Daily Blueprint. Morning ritual: wake up before the world. Practice gratitude. Move your body. Visualize your future self. Speak affirmations aloud. You are programming your vibration. Intentional habits: stack new habits onto old ones. Track your wins. Celebrate progress. Remember, tiny hinges swing big doors. Focused creation: create before you consume. Protect your energy in the first and last hour of your day. This is when your subconscious is most receptive. Spiritual grounding: meditate daily. Detach from results, practice presence. The more you flow, the more you attract. You are the magnet right now. Your future self is watching you. Grateful, proud, smiling, because you chose to shift. You chose to align. You chose to believe. The law of attraction isn't a trick, it's a law. And when your thoughts, emotions, and actions match your vision, reality bends. You are not chasing success. You are becoming the person to whom success is naturally drawn. So now the path is clear. You have the tools. You have the energy. You have the vibration. Remember this: you already are everything you're trying to become. It's just time to live like it. If this video moved you, share it with someone you love. Subscribe for more teachings on vibration, wealth, purpose, and consciousness. And until next time, keep rising.